Hello and welcome to today's review. I'm gonna really take you on a little journey through the book. What I wanted to show you is the paintings that are included in the book, and just talk a little bit about the book. So, Sometimes I Write Poetry is by me, Amanda Trought. Sometimes I Write Poetry is a collection of words expressing emotions. It has been in the process of development over the years, and I finally gathered the courage to share it with you. So, as we open the book, we've got a dedication on the front. This book is a self-published book, and I'm really proud of the way that it came out. I really love the cover. The feel of the cover is it just feels so tactile. You just want to just hold it. It's got a lovely feel to it. It's a matte finish, and let's have a look in the beginning. So the book is split into 8 chapters. The chapters are love, decisions, thoughts, calling, memories, loneliness, loss and death, and community and soul. And with each chapter there is a colour painting that goes with it. So there is over 100 poems in the book, and each kind of fit into the themes. It's kind of not, say, the first chapter, love, so not everything is about love, but they loosely fit into the theme of love. So yeah, what I wanted to show you was each of the colour plates that are here. It's really for you to gather the emotion that each painting is expressing, to really take that in, rather than to be clouded by what something may be called thoughts. Dissecting your thoughts and making sense of things around you, things that you have learned and may need to unlearn. Decisions. We all make decisions about aspects of our life. Some are well thought out, some are made in a split second, and then we think about possible consequences. So let's go through the other colour plates. Calling. It takes a while to figure out your calling in the meantime. So I really like the way that the colour paintings came out. Memories. How things used to be, or what do you remember? Changes of perspective. Loneliness. You can feel loneliness and be in a big crowd. In this section, looks at different aspects of loneliness in relationships. Loss and death. These poems in this section are about loss in one form or another, a family member, child. The words found me and wanted to be written down, and so I wrote. And the last colour painting is this one, Community and Soul. What does it mean for a young child growing up within a society that shows distaste for their existence, and the young woman she becomes? So that's the book, and at the back it's got a bit more about the author. But it's both available as a book and on Kindle. And this is Sometimes I Write Poetry. But it was a joy to write. It was a joy to get all the words down. I didn't think when I was writing the poems that they would get to this point, but I'm pleased that they have. So this is Sometimes I Write Poetry.